So I am about to make some soup for my daughter because she is sick. Um, Here I have just some potatoes, some vegetables, in here carrots, etc. I may put some cabbage in there. I'm not sure yet. It's just the vegetables that I had around the house. So I am going to make that. My husband made rice and peas. I didn't have an immersion blender, so I picked up one from Walmart before coming home. Surprisingly, this is like one of the only brands I had, the KitchenAid and the Ninja. The Ninja was $139. I was like, no, we're not doing that. This was on sale, so I got it for like $50. So I was like, I get the black one because it matches that black KitchenAid. And most of my appliances in here is black and stainless steel anyways, just like my major appliances. Yeah, they're all the same color, so yeah. And I picked this up for my husband. My husband loves his fried chicken. I know what you're thinking. Air fryer, yeah. I have a air fryer, but my husband likes his chicken cooked in grease. Okay. And he's been wanting a deep fryer, but I didn't know they were so affordable. This was like $50. I thought a deep fryer was like $100, hundreds of dollars for a deep fryer, or it was like closer to the range of like a high-end air fryer, which is like sometimes for $200-300. But it was just $50. So yeah, so I picked up that, and yeah, I'm gonna get started on the soup because the water is boiling, so we're ready to put in all the ingredients. This is big. I don't know why from the box it looks tiny, but this is huge. What is this?
Oh my God! What is that?
Why is I thought it would be a little smaller for whatever reason. Yeah, I did. I don't know why, but I did. It looks like a soup container. This is convenient because I reckon there's going to be a lot of soup remaining. Okay. It is snowing, guys. I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute, it's October, but it's snowing. And you know, the funny thing is, when I came here October 9th, it had already snowed. So this is kind of late if we're being honest. But it's snow flurrying. And you know, guys, I actually forgot to take in the cushions. So whenever the snow melts, I guess by the end of the day or by tomorrow, because this is Calgary, the snow is not gonna stick. But yeah, once it melts, I will go outside and I will get those cushions, bring them inside so they can stay nice and warm and toasty, so that we can still use the chairs in the winter. I love that. Merry Christmas. This is my office, guys. It's like office store. Over here is my little nail station. So I need to organize this stuff. This is my little office desk. Not office desk, my little office space, my little office, what you call this, shelf storage. Lots of stuff in here that I need to like organize as well. These are extra vents that the Divine Flooring guy came over and left. Need to find somewhere to put that. Actually, it's supposed to go in the basement with the rest of the extra stuff from the house build. Manure light. old picture that also needs updating, which is on my to-do list as well. And I printed this, not in love with it, with the black and white. It's a little dark, so yeah, but the color one is really nice. I think there's a color one in here. I want to say, hold on, let me see. Nope, it's just this one. But yeah, I'm gonna change this out. But it's on my to-do list to organize this space, guys. I'll get to it eventually. My manager brought this from Spain back from me from his trip. And yeah, these are like my little to-dos, guys. Is my hair crazy? Yeah, it's a little, I just pulled it out today because I am gonna get it braided on Saturday. So I kind of want my scalp to breathe in between, at least for a week. So yeah, anyways, print out Cricut stuff. Should close this when it's not in use. Cricut on a bench that I thrifted. Over here is my little sewing corner. This is my sewing to do. I have a couple pants that I need to mend. I need to mend these pants. And here is my sewing machine. And this is my serger. I keep them covered when I'm not using them so that, little dust and stuff doesn't get on it. This is the embroidery piece for the sewing machine, which I never use, but I'll get to it. This board is supposed to be like a pin of all my to-do projects and kind of like my hobby to-do list. Haven't gotten around to it. These are some like extra sewing stuff that I need to organize as well. This is where I work from. I've been meaning to get rid of this desk for the longest time. It is so hard to clean. It is dirty. It is filthy. It is disgusting. It is the most dirty thing in this house. I haven't gotten around to it because I'm likely gonna have to either list it for free so somebody can pick it up, or I have to take it to the dump. So that's what we're gonna do. It's been on my to-do list, and I'm gonna work on that to-do list. Here's where I work. My laptop is not there because I was working outside today. I think it's upstairs. These are my plants that I've successfully keeping alive for 2 years. I've had these plants for over 2 years. Can you imagine, guys? Over 2 years I've been keeping these plants alive. And this is my little affirmation calendar that was gifted to me by my mother-in-law. One of the most thoughtful, simplest gift I've gotten in recent times. Today is October, oh my gosh, 21. Today's October 21. Let's see what the affirmation says. It says, it's only when we stop that we encounter life. Talk truth. I know to the average person, this is like not dirty or, but the energy in here isn't right. I don't really know how to explain it. So once I get the energy right, then I think I'll be more productive. Hey guys, so hope you guys can hear me well, but I am currently at the mall. I am at South Centre Mall in Calgary. You can see Crate and Ball right there. But anyways, I'm gonna be meeting my friend here to go to Sephora. I'm gonna help her choose her shade and foundation and all of that. So typically she would pay somebody to do her makeup, but she wants to actually like do it herself because yeah, it's financial times, you know what I'm saying? Financial times, so we're not trying to spend money that we don't have to spend. Yeah. So yeah, I'm hoping, not hoping, but I am gonna help her to choose a shade. Even though the Sephora rep typically do a good job, but sometimes you just need that little affirmation that they actually chose the right one. So that's what I'm there for. I usually go to the Sephora in down no, not downtown, in McLeod Trail, but that one is a little bit further away, and I'm trying to like get this done ASAP to head back home to my babies. I'm not gonna do the extraness and put on my microphone, even though it's probably for the best, but yeah. I think this should work fine. I'll pull it out if I need to record anything, because I'm trying to record more, guys. I have so much footage, but that's good. I'm recording for you guys, and yeah. So let's see. I'm gonna text her to see where she is, and that's one of the reasons why I like having a vlog camera. It means I can use my phone. Okay, so she's here. Me too, in the car. See, and I love that. I can like text and record. Like I couldn't do that before. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get out of this car and go meet her. She says she's here, but I don't see her. I don't see her. Oh, there she is. Girl, I know. Come out and give me them disability spot. Come out. Come out. Come out. Am I gonna leave? Okay, okay. Oh, you're frightening me now. Oh, hi. Bye. You're frightening me like, I was just like, I know she's not fighting. This is like, chill. Hi. We're good. So we're matching her for the, which one is it? Not this one. Is this the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation? Perfect. Yes, that one. What you say? You never listen? You didn't listen? You weren't listening to her? You weren't listening to her? What did the lady say? What did the lady say? What did the lady say? Zooming by your face. What did the lady say? How do you multitask? Well, right now I am in Canadian Tire. I'm waiting for them to change the tire on my car, and I am also vlogging, and I am in a work meeting. So yeah, that's how I multitask. Yeah. If you don't believe me, there's our car over there. And yeah, I'm gonna head back down, sit down, participate in my meeting, and yeah, that's the plan.